Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, in this video, I will tell you what you should do in the exam and what you should not do in the exam for InfyTQ exam tomorrow. So friends, before that, I wanted to tell you, so as you are aware, so there will be three sections will be there, right? So hands-on programming based on Java or Python, programming objective based on Java or Python, and DVMS objective. Okay, now friends, you cannot switch between the sections. So if you are in programming objective, you cannot go to DVMS objective, or you cannot go to hands-on programming question. Okay, so the first thing, you will not be able to switch between the sections. Okay, now second thing friends, what I wanted to tell you is, so this hands-on programming questions, if we'll do only one question, then chances of getting selection in InfyTQ certification program will be very less. Okay, so you have to try to do both the questions. Okay, then the third thing, friends, many of the students will be complaining that, sir, the system did not detect my face, or the InfyTQ platform, so where it were not able to detect our face. So friends, make sure that you are sitting in the right position, and please test your camera and test your mic before your examination, right? So friends, these are the simple things. See, you can charge your laptop one day before. Okay, it should not be like, so your laptop is only 20% charge, and if the light goes, then you are not able to get it back, right? So you are not able to write the examination. Wi-Fi, so make sure you have a good Wi-Fi connection. See, if you're giving your test on mobile, then it is always risky. I mean, with the mobile data. Okay, so always you should go for the Wi-Fi connection. Even if you'll see their InfyTQ mail or any company's mail, they will tell you that at least you should have 10 Mbps of the connection. But again, see, if we have around 2 to 3 Mbps of the Wi-Fi speed, okay, then also you will be able to manage it. Okay, so friends, today itself, check your mic, check your camera. So basically, mic is not very important, but your camera will be very important. So your face should get detected. Okay, and definitely you cannot switch between the sections. So these are the few things which you need to be very careful before you go for the exam. And friends, I know you will definitely do well in InfyTQ exam and come back. Okay, so this is the last definitely last minute tips from Online Study for You. So be relaxed. Okay, feel relaxed. Do not now watch lot many videos. Okay, so it's of no use now if you watch a lot many videos. Okay, now feel relaxed, be relaxed, and tomorrow, if your exam is there, then please do it in a right way. Okay, solve the questions perfectly. Try to do both the hands-on programming questions, and also try to do the objective question. But because of this mic, camera, internet connection, please do not spoil your examination. Okay, so all the best, and I know you will definitely get selected into the InfyTQ this year examination. Thank you, take care, bye bye.